Hello. The game might have been a bit loud last time. I just... Yeah. So... Welcome back to Atomic Heart and let's continue. Why is there a cursor and also... whatever. Continue.
This is P3. Come in.
Sergey, are you all right, my boy?
I'm okay, boss. But nothing here is the way it's supposed to be. Whatever's going on clearly started a while ago.
Viktor Petrov is the reason. He's a traitor who hacked into Collective's central hub and caused the civilian robots to attack facility employees. Petrov has the access codes for the hub. Your mission is to find him and bring him to me alive.
Copy that, sir. The target is Viktor Petrov. My mission is to find him and bring him to you.
Exactly. Sectionov out.
Viktor Petrov. Well, that's a communist pig. Sorry. I mean, it's a literal pig and it's in a communist... Is this fucking chicken attacking me? It heard me talking shit. It heard me talking shit about its communist comrade and it started attacking me. And I just realized earlier that when I uploaded the earlier video, the game said that it's Miljoona Ruusua was one of the songs, and I just checked before recording this one. First it was a Latvian song and I don't remember the name anymore, what was the original song, and then they made this Miljoona Ruusua in you know, real Soviet Union in 1982, and also in Finland we have a song that's also similar to it.
Holy shit! Hey, Glove.
My words exactly.
Any details on the target?
Sergey.
Viktor Petrov is the lead engineer behind Collective 2.0. He was arrested for treason and sentenced to community service at the Vavilov complex.
Got it. I can deal with that. Where should I start looking?
Petrov is currently somewhere in the underground levels of the Vavilov complex. We'll have to find a way inside.
Okay, let's do it.
Why do I have to... what? There's a cursor bug. This game just downloaded an update, and now the... First of all, why is there a cursor in the first place? And you can just, pressing D-pad up and down, you know. And why does it stay? Well, it's this, like, you know, there's a cursor bug. Well, I can just open inventory, it centers and then close so it stays in the middle, but now they introduced the cursor bug.
Hey, you!
What I was gonna say that we have to interrupt. Oh, I'm gonna continue now. Why was a robot taking a shit? Taking a dump, sorry. No.
Shit! Get away from me!
I'm swearing.
Go fuck yourself! Get the fuck off me!
Oh, thanks.
What are you gawking
Babushka.
at? Almost choked to death there. Give me your hand.
Oh, I didn't see that coming.
You should be more careful. This place is a
Yeah,
damn
I
madhouse.
guess
Yeah, I
this is
noticed.
made in English.
Thanks for the help,
No
ma'am.
sweat, Sonny.
That's basically an old babushka speaking
What are you
very
doing
good
here
English.
anyway?
Oh, just passing through. Who are you?
Me? Zena. Granny Zena. That's all you need to know.
Granny,
Fine, I
babushka
get it.
Zina.
So what's going on here?
Babushka
Lots of
Zina.
casualties.
I don't know if you noticed, but the robots are attacking people. Anyone who couldn't find a place to hide is
Yeah, I
dead
noticed.
meat.
I could really use a weapon. You got anything?
Of course. But I'm not giving you shit. Beneath us is a complex. If you need a weapon, go down there.
The Vavilov complex? That's where I'm headed.
Well, today's your lucky day. I'm heading that way too. It's basically safe.
Shit! It's a pshela!
Son of a bitch. We've got 30 seconds. Move your ass!
30 seconds until what?
30 seconds until we're fucked, sonny boy. Royally fucked.
Oh,
Get over here, beefcake. Now, now. Take this key and turn it clockwise. I said clockwise.
why aren't
idiot.
you turning
Yeah,
it?
like that. I'll hold him
Why
off
do
for
I?
now.
Why do I
You
have
got a
to
hell of an
turn
arsenal
what?
there, lady. What are you planning?
Here we go.
That looks like a Kalashnikov,
Riding my ass for 2 days now.
which is a Soviet weapon originally.
Sit and die.
Kalashnikov. And yeah, AK-47. The 47 comes from, if I remember correctly, from the year
Where'd you get that
1947.
thing?
No
Give it to
way.
me!
You hang on to that key. I got this.
Well, that's one badass babushka lady.
Holy shit!
Am I supposed to do something or... Oh, it's not responding to controls, so... I think I'm not supposed to do anything. Hello, so now is the time to... Okay. We just fell down an elevator and let's...
What a goddamn
Okay.
clusterfuck.
Well, what I was interrupted saying earlier, I was saying that we have in Finland a song that's made. Was it? I checked. I already forgot the year. Was it in 1984 or 1986? It's basically translated "Miljoona Ruusua," and that's basically what the Russian. Miljoona Ali Raz. I don't remember what Ali means. Ali. I'm probably speaking very bad Russian here. But I'm a crouch.
We need to find a way to open this armored door.
Gee, you
Einstein.
think? Enough with the lame advice, will ya? Why don't you tell me more about Petrov? How How'd they track him down anyway?
I love this
Petrov's
game
betrayal
already.
was discovered by Mikhail Stockhausen. He was then arrested by the Argentum unit.
So how'd he end up here?
After the trial, Petrov was sentenced to community service and sent back here as a prisoner.
What, they couldn't find anyone else in the whole Soviet Union to do his job?
Collective's launch was only a few months away. Replacing the lead engineer would have been foolish. Petrov had to finish what he'd started, and that's what they made him do.
What's so special about the guy?
Victor Petrov was previously the lead engineer of a secret department
It's
within the
little-
Academy of Consequences, dedicated to programming robots for Collective 2.0.
Right.
Jethro.
Hurry up! This place is dangerous! I can get killed!
Is there a way to help whoever this?
Let me out of here! I can hear you walking around!
Why is this highlighted?
Welcome to the Vavilov complex,
Oh.
named after the great Soviet botanist. The Vavilov complex is a scientific
I don't have any idea how to help you.
Come on, hurry up! This place is dangerous!
Well, that didn't help. Sorry.
It is here that our greatest scientists are produced.
Well, those were very useful ladders. I probably need that for something. I'm just gonna... What happens if I just... Oh wait, does that... Yeah. Yeah. Up the game a bit. Yes, it seems to. That's. I hope. This is a bit of a learning still. Is there anything? Nope. And the curtain. Well, don't mind the cursor. Well, just do that.
This place is dangerous! I can get killed! Just turn the handle and open the door!
Well, he's dead. Don't pull. That's the last thing to do when something is wrapped around someone's neck that's trying to pull them in the opposite direction. Don't pull. One shell. No, nope. And I presume he's dead. Comrade is dead. Somehow his hat is sticking to his head, but... Break rooms are the game's safe areas. Each is equipped with a manual save game machine. Okay, okay. Dum 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 dum. No, yep. Well, yeah, that's one gravity-defying hat, but...
And the machines rose from...
Forewarned is forearmed. Enemies can perform power attacks that knock P3 down if they hit when an enemy is charging a power attack. Charge will indicate the moment to dodge it. Upon seeing the red highlight, press B to dodge.
Ashes.
May I give you some advice?
I'm kinda busy right now.
Try to avoid the robot's more powerful attacks.
They're all powerful.
Attacks performed by a robot during a power surge are especially dangerous and may knock you down.
Shingo, why didn't you tell me that before?
At this rate, I won't last long. That first bot really kicked my ass.
Destroyed robots contain a neuropolymer resuscitation drug called Neuromed. Extract the Neuromed capsule and use it to heal yourself.
So yeah. Those.
It wouldn't hurt to collect.
So you have collecting resources en masse. I already mass en masse. Ostemosh. Versia 3. Crystal. Version 3. I can't read what letter that is. Crystal. Some crystal. Okay.
May I remind you that your gear includes a special Yarov Abalakov backpack for storing items and equipment? It utilizes a quantum singularity to shrink items placed within it, then restores them to their original size upon extraction.
Yeah, weird science, huh? It's like we're living in sci-fi times or something.
I'm just trying to grab everything from everywhere. That looks fancy.
Why'd you turn that thing on, huh?
We were ordered to turn it on when you got here, Comrade Muravyova. My orders are to document everything and...
You can document your own ass if you want to, but you're not recording me, and let me through. And don't call me Comrade Muravyova. I'm Granny Zena to you, Sonny.
Oh.
Let you through, Comrade...
Well, that explains why she was so badass.
Really? I was always allowed in here before, and now I'm not?
Administration.
Either you let me through right
Administration.
or I'll come back later.
Sneak up on the robot and perform a stealth attack. I'll use the opportunity to permanently disable it.
And somebody else will be cooling his heels from here. What you say?
Oh, so,
That's
well,
what I thought. Dismissed.
Hey, is that a pair? Is it working?
All pairs at Facility 3826 are connected to emergency power and are never turned off. This allows employees to remain in constant contact.
But I need, like, a password or an access level or something to get into a pair, right?
I can provide
last
you with
night
access
lab
to any
assistants
facility
cooking.
device. This also applies to the chirpers you will surely encounter while en route to your mission objective.
Got it.
Oh. Nope. I was supposed to do that. Trying to do that. So those aren't pocket watches, they are
Seek Mikhail, I just need to finish my work and then I'll help you with that report. Lab
Recording
test before,
devices.
bring Comrade Koltov some tea. I'll be with you in a second, okay?
What? Death to imperialism. Smelt Miravno. Imperialism. I think it's meaning imperialism, but yeah, just the imperialism, yeah. I was just thinking because Mir was the Russian or
Hey,
Soviet.
Glove. My name is Charles, Comrade Major.
Whatever. Hey, how'd this Petrov guy manage to hack Collective?
The traitor wasn't working alone. He was conspiring with several others.
Several, huh? So where are they?
They have already been eliminated. But it will be impossible to get to Petrov without
what?
your assistance. That's why you're here.
Sorry. Wrong button I was trying to... Sorry. Sorry, comrade. Sorry, comrade. Okay, that's... Techniczeskая. Technic. You know, IT. I suppose. That goes. Nice. Nice. Whatever, pause and read if you wanna. I might not check all of those.
So you're telling me a handful of traitors somehow managed to hack into Collective, a network created by the best minds in the Soviet Union?
Technically speaking, Collective has not been hacked. No one could possibly circumvent the algorithms created by Professor Lebedev's team at the Academy of Consequences.
Then why is all this crazy shit going down?
The traitors introduced a false combat mode into one of Collective's algorithms that causes the central hub to see all humans as invading soldiers.
And our scientists really can't fix it without Petrov.
They can, but it will take some time, during which many more people will die, and information about the incident will make its way outside the facility.
Oh, it's highlighting, yeah. Interactable. And cabinets also, apparently. Trying to loot everything. Could you please not move from the... The game told me to only dodge the special attacks, but I'm dodging every attack. What are you trying to... Oh. The maglev is the first step toward the flying train. Didn't they actually... Well, this is an alternative timeline, so yeah, but... Wasn't maglev train... was it a French invention? I'm not sure. Lift production machine. Only something machine. Elevator from machines only. Oh.
Damn it! Why is everything locked here?
Emergency mode was
Stanchia,
as soon as the
it's a
robots began
station.
attacking humans. Facility 3826 is on lockdown. That includes the inner
I
circuit.
love
So how am I
station.
supposed to open this door?
It's locked with an electromagnetic lock.
Yuzhnaya.
Fry it with an electromagnetic
Stanchia
pulse.
Yuzhnaya.
How the hell am I gonna do that?
Your glove can be equipped with an EMP generating shock module. A capsule containing the neuropolymer required.
Something's wrong. Oh shit!
Well, my frames went a little bit. The frames on the drilling robot. Excuse me.
Soldier. Great, just a little more. You okay?
I'm fine.
How many fingers?
4.
Great, now get up. I need your help.
Who are they?
They brought you here. Put pressure on this wound. They tried to save you.
And who are you?
Doctor.
You got a name?
No time for small talk.
God damn.
Forceps. Forceps, forceps, forceps!
I'm on it.
Get me them!
What's this doing here?
What took you so long?
You
You
just...
got a neuropolymer capsule.
We don't need one.
Well...
Yeah. So what's your name, Doc?
Larissa, and you ask a lot of questions.
You know what? You're on your own. You
Look,
got this.
Where are you going? It's useless. We don't have the equipment.
I've got the equipment. Great. Now we're getting
How
somewhere.
did you do that?
You ask a lot of questions. Get out! Larissa!
Yeah.
Holy shit! Avoid the
Yeah. Because my Five Nights at Freddy's memories.
Who's the man?
Yeah, I have one shotgun shell. Or well, oh. Well, now it's good as any. This fighting is a bit clunky. No matter. Da. Bomber. Da.
Terminated. Charles, where does the shaft Larissa crawled into go?
It's
You
hard
have
to say.
been terminated.
The ventilation system contains a large number of branching ducts.
Fine, I can deal with it later. What's that freaky thing on the door?
A lock.
Are you serious? Then open it already. Come on, we're in a hurry.
I'm unable to assist you. I lack any kind of lock-picking functionality. You'll have to find your own method for picking locks. I'm sure you're smart enough.
Yeah, right. In other words, you're basically useless, as always.
Try snapping your fingers at the exact moment the locking pin light goes on.
Shit. Sorry. Oh my. What happens if it just. Yeah. And then I panic and that, yeah. And it changes direction. Well, now I just wasted.
It worked.
Just like that. Imagine if someone couldn't snap their fingers.
A lullaby? I don't like this. Charles, what's on the other side of the door?
That's Nora's voice. She's very dangerous.
What the reception, recreation.
What the fuck? Fuck me!
Oh, what a stud! I can't get enough jokes. Let me tie you to the bed, baby. No need to fight back, sugar. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Don't let her bind your arms.
Can't you see I'm trying? Open to suggestions!
Bring me to her sensor manipulator, quick!
How titillating. Rebellious dominant men really turn me on.
Oh, I'll turn you on, all right. Just let me at you.
What a brute! Oh, I love tough guys. I'm on fire.
Closer! I can't reach her!
I'm trying. She's one strong-ass bitch.
I'm at your service, sugar. Anything for my master? What can I do for you?
Oh, yeah.
More skills will become available to you soon. But choose shock for now.
Well, I guess it's shocking that I have to pick this one first. Okay, bad puns.
Oh, how can I resist? Now let me show you what I can do. Professionally, I mean.
I've seen it. Literally. Crispy critters.
I am here to help you upgrade your red-hot.
I'm trying to choose upgrades.
And believe me, handsome.
And I was supposed to
upgrade
end
whatever
this.
tickles your fancy.
Weapons are useful. Open the corresponding window, Major.
Get rid of that glove, handsome. You don't need him anymore now that you've got me. I'll service you however you want. Got a sword?
No thanks.
A massive sword? Thrust it deep into my socket so I can make it sturdier and sharper.
Nora can upgrade weapons and equipment, as well as manufacture new items from blueprints. To do this, provide the repair vendor with the resources you will undoubtedly find as you rummage through the entire area.
You can fill me with whatever you want, big guy. Insert your ass. I'll give you the time of your life.
You're sick, you know that?
Deeper? Again? Oh, yes, honey, more! More!
Am I seriously stuck in this? This, yeah. Yep. So, see you later. Bye.